Hey friends, welcome back to our channel Stock Dr. RR. In this channel, we do pure technical analysis of US as well as Indian stock market. Today's video will be very important because we are going to talk about three indexes: Nasdaq, Dow Jones, and S&P 500. Remember, my friends, last week was monthly expiry of July series. So now we have got three candles to be formed: daily, weekly, and monthly for July month. And based on that, we will try to predict what market wants to do and what market price action is telling us where it wants to go. So before we go ahead, in case you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon. You will get the notification of all future videos which I am going to make on Indian as well as US stock market. So let's go and start our favorite tool, trading view. Remember, my friends, sometimes our heart says or our mind says that market is in downtrend, and we keep only one bias or one view on the market. But many times I said market doesn't work on what we think, right? We need to be rely on price action. You can see here we were completely bearish in the market because here it created the three black crow pattern. You can see here, and the same pattern was created here also in the May series. But you can see in the June series we got three consecutive red candles. This is, we are talking about Nasdaq, three Nasdaq futures, three consecutive red candles, and we predicted that market will go down more from here. But you can see market took the support every time near where there was a bottom of three black crow. The bottom was like here. You can see market tried to created the first bottom. After that, market created first bottom here, then it created lows here, it created lows here, and then we understood here that market is not going down as what we are expecting, because we got these trend line supports, and based on that we figured it out that market is getting a buying pressure from the lower levels, because on these lower levels you can see always it has created this kind of bigger wicks or shadows. You can see these are the bigger shadows, means what, market is going down but buying pressure is coming and market is getting pulled up, and that's why you might see this kind of big uh shadows. So here we figured it out that market wants to go up, and you can see last week or before that, last to last week, we always given the levels. If market wants to go up, it needs to go this particular level. If it breaks that particular level, then it will go up more. So our mind is saying something, but the price action is saying something. We need to rely on the technical analysis, we need to rely on the price action. So now you can see here, first of all, let's talk about the daily closing. Okay, but first important point, it has closed above the uh, where three black crow pattern started. Right now market looks very bullish, but let's figure it out what the chart says. On Friday you can see this was the closing where it is kind of hanging man. This pattern says if this pattern could have got the red candle, then we could have confirmed it as it's a hanging man, which occurs always on the top of the trend. So right now we were in the uptrend. You can see here we were in the uptrend, and then here it has formed a hanging man, but it's a green candle, so we cannot simply say that now market is reached at top and market may reverse here. But the possibilities are there unless and until we doesn't sustain above 13,000. Remember my friends, 13,000 is very crucial and very important level. Right now we close near 12,971. 13,000 is very important level. If we stay above 13,000 level for 1 or 2 days, you will see a quick upside towards 13,170, 13,400 and 13,560. These are the three green lines you can see. Now, if I convert it into the day hourly candles, then you will see hourly channel, hourly time frame. You can see what exactly it is going to show us. See, you can see here 13,000 looks like, we could not make 13,000, on 30 December we tried to reclaim up to 12,870. Then on 3rd June we went to 12,900. So I think 13,000 is a very psychological strong level. If that gets breached, then we are going to see three important levels. One is 13,170, 13,400 and then 13,560. So now you will ask, then either we came out from a bearish cycle or this was the top of the bearish cycle and then we will go down again. So hold on your horses. You can see here, this was the trend line, long-term trend line. This trend line is not broke yet. So what is the level where this trend line will get break? This trend line is going to break above. You can see if market goes like this and then on any particular day it breaks 13,400 and stays above it, then the next is 13,560. On 13,560 we are completely broke the trend line resistance. We will completely break the trend line resistance. On closing above 13,560, we can say that market has came out of the bear cycle, and it is possible that market might come till 13,560 and then again retrace, okay, from the level where it has broke the resistance and again starts claiming back, and market might go to the new highs or market might go to the all-time high level again. So 13,560. Before 13,560, we will say that market might have came into the short bull rally in the bear market. But if we manage to close about 13,560 and then we retrace back and then again get new pull up, then definitely we came out of the bear market. So these were the levels for the upside. Now if market doesn't go above 13,000, then first immediate support is coming almost 300 points down from here, that is 12,730. Second is 12,570. Third is 12,430. You can see like this. It can go down like this and this. These are the three levels which I think if we don't manage to stay above 13,000 levels. So my friends, for Nasdaq 100, 13,000 is very, very, very important level. Now if we see the weekly channel, okay, on the weekly channel you can see here, let me zoom in more. This week closing is the first green closing, okay, after 25th April. After 25th April, we have given this first green closing. You can see here, this was the highest closing after 25th of April in the green zone. So weekly candle is bullish. If we see the monthly candle, this is a very important one point I want to show you. You can see this is a bullish engulfing pattern on the monthly candle. You can see the same thing. This is a bullish piercing. After that market went up. Then here also you can see the bullish engulfing and then market went up. This is also kind of bullish engulfing and market went up. So history says on monthly candle, when market has created the bullish engulfing pattern, after that market went up. So this is a very important week monthly time frame. Keep that also in your mind. So let's go to the next chart, Dow Jones. Now for the Dow Jones, you can see here Dow Jones has already broke trend line resistance on 19th July. Dow Jones has already broke trend line resistance on 19th of July, but Dow Jones didn't break the three black crow pattern stop. This is near 32,900. So for Dow Jones, 32,900 is a small and nearest resistance. Once Dow Jones cross and stays above 32,900, you will see the fast upside. First upside is almost 350 points above it, that is 33,250. Second is coming around 33,600. Third is coming around 34,000. So Dow Jones looks very strong. If we see the Dow Jones, it looks very strong here. Now there might be possibility that if Dow Jones doesn't sustain above 32,900, then it can travel back to 32,300, then 31,850, and then 31,450. These are very short-term levels which I can see in coming days or coming weeks can come if market reverse from here. So we need to watch 32,900, how market holds and sustain above 32,900. If it doesn't sustain above 32,900, then how it can go down, we can see next week. Weekly candle, you can see weekly candle is strong. If you see the monthly candle, on the monthly candle, Dow Jones also created a bullish engulfing pattern here. After the downtrend, it created the bullish engulfing pattern. The next important index we have is S&P 500. S&P 500, same chart pattern like Dow Jones. You can see here it has currently, it is just same like Dow Jones near the three black crow pattern stop. So the level to watch for the S&P 500 is 4150. If S&P 500 stays above 4150, then you will soon see the target of 4180. It's the first target. Now if it stays above 4180, or you can say the psychological number of 4200, then you will going to see the fast up move till 4250 and 4300. These are the levels for the upside. Now if S&P 500 doesn't sustain above 4150, then it might traverse back to 4030, then 3950 and 3880. These are the three levels which I can see. So, and now if you see the monthly candle here, monthly candle also saying the same thing, bullish engulfing pattern. So this monthly closing was very good for all these three index. Now we need to see if the next week market try to hold these levels. Now which stocks will contribute that index can go for index to go up? The first important five stocks are Amazon, Tesla, Apple, Microsoft, and Google. Now all these stocks you can see they are also at their specified target. They already reached at their specified target. Now if these stocks holds their targets, then index will also go up. If these stocks will start going down from here, then definitely it will put pressure on the index. You can see all these stocks has given a very good run up. So this is all about today's video, my friends. I hope you learned something out of it. If you have not subscribed to this channel, subscribe to this channel, hit the notification, hit the bell icon. You will get the notification of all future videos. Last but not least, let's learn and earn together. Trade safely, my friends.